If you're looking for a simple and effective way to track client payments and invoices, SuiteDash can help streamline the process. But does it really deliver as promised, or are there better alternatives out there? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about managing client payments and invoices with SuiteDash, and by the end, you'll know if this is the tool for you. First, let's talk about how SuiteDash helps with invoicing. With SuiteDash, you can create customized invoices with just a few clicks. It's not just about sending basic invoices. It allows for personalization to match your brand, making your business appear more professional. You can even set up recurring invoices for subscription-based services, so you don't have to manually send them each time. It's all automated. Next, let's move on to tracking client payments. SuiteDash has a built-in payment gateway that integrates with tools like PayPal and Stripe, meaning you can accept payments directly from invoices. Plus, it automatically updates the status of your invoices once payments are made, so you'll always know where things stand without needing to track them manually. It's an easy way to stay on top of your finances. The third thing SuiteDash does is send automated reminders for overdue payments. If your client hasn't paid by the due date, the system will automatically send them a reminder email. This takes the pressure off you, so you don't have to chase down clients. However, it's worth noting that some users find the reminder settings a bit rigid. You may not have as much customization on the frequency and tone of reminders compared to other solutions. Now, let's discuss the dashboard. SuiteDash offers a centralized client portal where you can track all your invoices, payments, and financial reports. This gives you a bird's-eye view of your business finances. It's neat, organized, and pretty user-friendly, but it can feel a bit overwhelming at first with all the features and settings. It may take some time to get used to if you're new to business management software. On the other hand, SuiteDash isn't perfect. While it's certainly powerful, its interface is sometimes criticized for being a bit clunky, especially when it comes to certain billing features. For example, it can be tricky to figure out how to apply partial payments, and navigating through multiple tabs and sections can be confusing if you're in a hurry. The fifth thing to consider is pricing. SuiteDash offers a range of plans, but many users find that the more useful features are locked behind higher tiers. This can be frustrating for small businesses or those just starting out, especially when you consider that some competitors offer similar features at a more affordable price. Now, before we wrap up, it's important to mention that while SuiteDash is a solid choice, it's not the only one. In fact, we've found that other platforms may offer even better tracking and invoicing tools with a more intuitive interface. These alternatives also come with free trials, giving you a chance to test them out risk-free. So, if you're looking to get the best experience for tracking client payments and invoices, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Not only will you get an exclusive and extended free trial of SuiteDash, but we've also added some incredible alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. By using our link, you'll get the best trial offers and some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Take advantage of these options and start managing your client payments and invoices like a pro today.